Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a productive day. Welcome back to Auto Repair. In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic, the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. Wheel bearings play a critical role in your car's performance. They allow the wheels to spin freely while supporting the vehicle's weight. Ignoring a worn-out wheel bearing can be dangerous. It could even lead to your wheels coming off while driving. So let's go through the key symptoms to watch out for. The most common sign of a bad wheel bearing is hearing strange noises. You might notice growling, rumbling, or humming sounds, especially as you increase speed. These noises will usually come from the wheel with the defective bearing. To pinpoint which bearing is bad, try this. Turn your steering wheel while driving. If the noise gets louder when you turn right, it's likely the left wheel bearing that's bad. This happens because turning shifts more weight onto the faulty bearing, increasing pressure and noise. Next symptom: loose steering wheel. A worn-out wheel bearing can cause excessive play in the wheel, leading to a loose steering feel. You might notice the steering feels unstable, especially on bumpy roads. This issue can make controlling your car more difficult, so don't ignore it. Another telltale sign is vibrations in the steering wheel, which get worse as you drive faster. A bad wheel bearing causes the wheels to wobble, and since your wheels connect to the tie rods and steering rack, the vibrations are transferred to the steering wheel. Lastly, some vehicles may trigger the ABS warning light due to a bad wheel bearing. This happens because the ABS sensor is attached to the wheel hub assembly, which houses the wheel bearings. When the bearing wears out, it can interfere with the ABS system, causing the light to illuminate. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay safe, and see you in the next video.